Central Lengakna Manipurda Mahosagi Punsida Hanjilaknaba Hotnaraduna, State Asigi Administrative Tiki Oiba, Thabak Thoram Kaya Paikhatli, Landa Masida Santi Halakpagi Asha Chauna Ledaklehaina, Rastriya Thouram-Sing Sang RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosabale na Fongdokre, Ngarang Karnataka Bangalore Dalaiba Akhil Bhartiya Pratinidhi Sabha ABPS ta pangthokpa thorong mari lainana Paumi Singda mahangna haikibada Lenga asina Manipur gi hauzik oriba fibam asida yengsilakba asi afaba khongthang amani loinana mafam asigi miyamsu awaba khara koklakle hauzik Central Lengaktagi Manipurda Mahosagi Punsida halaknaba ehenba thabak lokhalakpa oirashanu Aikoina akaknaba thabak lokhatlu haiba leitri adubu lengakna thokliba irang asigi matung ina thabak paikhatsanu haiki Manipur gi lengak suspend tawduna president rules thamlibani masida Central Lengakna administrative ki thabak paikhatpada khutlai thado khale national highway sing hangdokpa hore aikoina Central Lengakta hainingbadi irang asi loishanaba makhogi assessment ta thabak tawraga Manipur gi issue asi khudakta loishinbiyu haiki
Yes, there should be something. We have not said this should be the step or action or that should be the. We have suggested address the incident issues and the situation of Manipur immediately. We have not demanded whether this particular action should be taken or not. That is for the government, and on the basis of their assessment, they have taken a decision. They have clamped to the precedent rule. They have kept it in suspension, and they have taken some administrative actions in the form of, for example, disarming the people, opening the highways. There are many such administrative things they have taken up. So I think because of that, some hope have been raised. So we are happy that the government has addressed the situation, and people are also now feeling, because the Manipur people have come here, they are telling at least there is some succor now. So let us hope there will be more such actions on the part of the government, and the different sections of the society in Manipur, they will live harmoniously. So this is what we have expressed.